How to log into Temu account. Let's get started. You can easily log into your Temu account using the browser, or also you can download the app. For this video, I'm gonna use the app. You can head over to the App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Temu and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of View. Click on it. Now click on the option of Sign in or Register. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide your Temu account's credentials, email or phone number, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. You can only use these options in the case you have created your account using these options. You just have to click on it and you'll be logged into your Temu account, or else you can directly enter your email or phone number. After you type in your email address, click on Continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forgot Password to recover it. After you provide the details, click on Sign in. And with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Temu account. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.